Today we're starting our first seeds of 2023. And what are we planting today, Candace?
Well, it is time to plant the Lisianthus.
Boom. So we're going to get our first starts of Lisianthus going right now. We've also got our Johnny's order in, at least a portion of it. And I'm just going to kind of talk through a few things with you guys as we plant this tray of Lisianthus out. So follow along. So first we've got, let's see, let's tell them what we got for Lisianthus here. There's these are the Voyage 2 Lisianthus. We have a lavender, a blue, and a yellow, and these are all things that Candace picked out. So, and then there's let's see, this is a Roseanne Black Pearl Lisianthus, and it's really dark. I looked at it on the website when we were ordering our seeds here, so it looks pretty cool. I think Candace is a little excited for that one. So
we're going to do some succession planting with the Lisianthus. So we're just planting a tray today.
So we got some just some things for a garden for ourselves, and we do the garden to plant veggies for ourselves so we can, harvest it all year. So we got some bell peppers because we didn't have enough bell peppers last year. If you haven't seen any of our bell pepper videos, check the ones out up above. I'll link one for you, and I think you guys would be kind of astonished as why in the hell are we getting more bell peppers this year. But Candace made me. So, and then we've got some dill, and the dill we're using for our dill pickles, obviously. Last year, I had a hard time finding dill. I had to go to multiple stores, and for a time, there wasn't any dill that you could even buy in the grocery store. So I'm going to make sure that we don't have that problem this year. And then we've also got our Salanova lettuce. We got the green and the red butter. And we grew this last year. It was awesome. I ate it all summer into the fall. And we are going to do that again, I believe. It was really good. And we got some parsley here. So we're just trying to get some of our herbs going. I believe, did we get cilantro too? No, we had cilantro. That's why. Let's see, what else we got? Oh, we got some, what are you doing? Did you dump that on the floor?
Yes,
Candace.
I was trying to be neat with it and keep it over the bucket. That's why I was doing it over the bucket.
These are Sugar Snacks pelleted carrot seeds, and I tried some pelleted carrot seeds last year. I believe they were a Mokum, and they worked out really good. I still have a bunch of Mokum seeds, so I'm going to plant those this year as well. And I just want to try a different variety because I like trying different things every once in a while. We've grown the Danvers, which are good, and they grow well in our soil here too. So we've got Danvers, Mokum, and now we got the Sugar Snacks. And then the other thing, what was this? Oh, this was pelleted basil, and I did not know that we got pelleted basil. But we're going to give it a shot because I bought it apparently. I don't know how many of you guys have ever planted Lisianthus seeds, but these things are uber small. So Candace she just has a little container here, and we put some of the seeds in this container, and she got a little another container with water and a toothpick. So just hit the water, toothpick, seed in the hole. So
on the top.
Huh?
It doesn't go in a hole. It goes
in the
on
hole.
The top.
Oh, it goes on the top?
Mm-hmm.
See, I don't want to know. So while she's doing that, I'm going to talk about, well, she's going to talk about this too, but these are some of the flowers that we had. Well, is there flower? Yeah, these are only flowers in here. So these are some of the flowers that we planted last year that we enjoyed, and Candace really liked planting these and growing them and setting them out to the road and farmers markets and things like that.
So last year we planted a variety of different flowers, and some of them we liked and some of them we didn't. Some of them worked well when we put them together in bouquets to sell, and some of them we found out didn't work so well in the bouquets. So we've ordered some of the same things that we had last year and some new things that I'm kind of excited about. So we've got some sunflowers. We've got the bicolor single stem sunflower, hybrid orange single stem sunflower, the Pro Cut red, it for sunflowers.
Those are the pro cuts, so they're
really single stem.
Yeah, but they come off with such a nice sunflower to them that it's not like a huge, stalk full of sunflowers, and they're all different sizes and everything. These are pretty uniform.
Yeah, they're very uniform and very beautiful. We also got some different varieties of zinnias. The zinnias seem to be really popular last year. They're super colorful and vibrant, and people seem to like bouquets that had the zinnias in it. So we've got some giant scarlet, a giant mix, an Oklahoma formula mix, and that's something different. The next group of packets that we ordered were flowers that we haven't tried before, some new things that we wanted to try out. One of them is amaranth, and it's velvet curtains. And these are pretty, and Eric picked them out. They're kind of a reddish color. You totally picked these out.
Did not.
You did. And they're a reddish color, and they're kind of like a stalk looking that is kind of bends over, but so the red velvet curtains, we did not have a lot of red flowers last year, just a few red zinnias, and so I wanted to add some more to that color palette.
Well, we had red glads. I think we had some red glads too. But that was
very few.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got some champion blue campanula, which is a bellflower, and just like it's named,
it looks like a bell.
It looks like a bell. They look a little more purple than blue, but
is that enough on that on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Vermiculite. Just so if you guys are looking, trying to figure out what I'm doing here, just put a little bit of vermiculite on top.
And what does that do?
It does whatever you told me it does.
It helps with the moisture.
Helps with the moisture.
Yeah, because these can tend to get some mold growth. We've got some celosia. We've got a Sunday mix, and then the cheap carmine. The cheap carmine, again, is beautiful red flowers, like I wanted to add. We also, straw flower.
Yeah.
These I was excited about because they're different than we've done before, and they're super pretty, and they work good for
dried flowers.
In the fall.
In the fall.
Yes. So we've got 3 different varieties of straw flower. We've got a floss flower, a China aster, and a bachelor button to try out. And then we got some dianthus, which we had gotten dianthus last year, but we didn't plant it for some reason. And
I think we ran out of room.
That could be.
We were
didn't have enough room.
Last year we only had these 2 small greenhouses here set up, and they were full. And as much as we like growing flowers, vegetables kind of come first because it's kind of feeds the family.
Right. So we're real excited to be trying all of these new flowers, and we will update you this spring and summer on how they are doing.
Probably next week. So last year all we had for our seed starting area was our 2 small greenhouses here and some grow lights. We quickly outgrew our seed starting space. So with our upgrades to our garden that we had last year, we need to do something different for seed starts. And without giving too much away, we're going to have a new area this year. And we're going to be working on it very soon. And we're going to bring you along. I'll show you guys that video here coming up in the next few weeks. And you guys stick around. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning of our gardening season.
So we're just scratching the surface today with planting this Lisianthus in this one tray. And we have so much more plans, some new things, and exciting stuff coming up for you guys. So we really appreciate you sticking around with us and watching our video. And we will catch you on the next one.